Southern Mom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having an absolutely wonderful day. Thank you so much for coming to hang out with me. I do appreciate it. If you are new, please consider hitting that subscribe button. We would love to have you join our YouTube family. It's always a fun time here. As you can see from the description below, today we do have a new box to unbox here on our channel. I'm really excited to see what this box is about. But I do want to remind you guys, I do have the 10 days of giveaways going on. So if you are new and you've hit subscribe, or if you're an OG and you have not yet, make sure you hit that bell so that you do get notified when I go live. And as always, if you enjoy the video, please do give me a big thumbs up and leave a comment. I love hearing from you guys. But I'm going to tell you a little bit about this. This is the Love Goodly box, and this is a bi-monthly subscription. It is $34.95 every other month. This is the February-March essential box, and it is an organic, vegan, cruelty-free subscription. It could, it's skincare, beauty, makeup tools, all kinds of stuff. The value is always $80 or more for every box. I believe this box has a value of $99, so we will definitely take a look and see what is in here. I will leave a link down below if you would like to sign up, and I do have a coupon code for you guys. It is Love Southern Mom. That will get you $5 off your first box, and they do always have free US shipping. So I'm really excited, so let's just dive in here. How is everyone doing today? I hope you all are doing fabulous. Let's see. This is our latest box. It says introducing our February-March box. Our latest box has 4 full-sized items with a total retail value of $99. Has a great mix of vegan, non-toxic, and cruelty-free beauty and skincare products, plus a delicious raw vegan dark chocolate bar. This box supports our charity partner, Farm Sanctuary, whose mission is to protect farm animals from cruelty, inspire change in the way society views and treats farm animals, and promote compassionate vegan living. So that's awesome. So we have a card here. It says, "Hi lovelies, live a stylish and cruelty-free lifestyle, Katie and Justine." So that is great. Yes, stylish and cruelty-free. Perfect combo. And then on the back here, it does tell us about the 4 products. So we will glance at that when we need to. Otherwise, this is what we see when we open it. It says Love Goodly. And then I think this is super cute. And just a great reminder, especially if, I get tons of subscription boxes and I do take them all right up to the recycling bin, but it does say please recycle or reuse this box. So let's go ahead and see what we got in here. I'm excited. All right, so the first thing I am pulling out is Zatique Gratitude Face Serum for all skin types. It has seaweed and algae, omega blend for smoothing wrinkles and hydration. It says created with care, vegan, non-GMO, gluten-free, soil-free, alcohol-free, pH balanced, certified organic, and biodegradable. And then apply daily AM and PM. Massage a pea-sized amount gently and evenly over clean face and neck, improves hydration and softens facial lines when applied after using Zatique's cleanser and toner. It says Zatique uses science to identify the most beneficial botanicals, creating radiant beauty. Our formulations leverage from fresh herbs cultivated on USDA certified organic farms and are never mass produced. With your purchase, we provide support for Fruits of Love mission. So, let's see what it says here. This is a $32 value. Here it says, delightful Sea Plus Earth mixture is designed to foster a grateful and youthful skin. Improves and softens the appearance while providing needed daily hydration. Formulated with organic herbs, phytosterols, and I'm not even going to attempt, in parentheses, it says marine algae and seaweed. So yeah, let's see. So this is what it looks like outside the box. That's actually a really, really good size. Like, it's not, you know, super tiny or anything. That's a good bit. And if you're only using, you know, a pea-sized amount twice a day, that will last a good bit. So I definitely think that is awesome. All right, and then, ooh, we got a brush. Y'all know how I feel about my brushes. Let's see. I don't want to butcher this. Isling Organics dual-sided Luxe Shadow Brush. This is a $20 value. Launching in this box, Isling Organics Eco Luxe dual-sided brush is the perfect tool for any eyeshadow look, as you can buff, blend, and line easily with either side of the brush. But don't let this brush be limited to eyeshadow, as it can be used to smooth out concealer or line the lips. And this is cruelty-free and vegan. Yes, you guys, you know how I am about brushes. So this side is really, oh, that is so soft. And then this side's more flat, as you can see, but still so soft. Oh, that is so, I think it's cute too. I love that. And like I said, that is a $20 value. So let's see, then what do we have here? This is from Flour Mill Bombshell. This is what it looks like. This is a $42 value. A luxurious way to remove every last trace of makeup while purifying, cleansing, and refreshing your skin. Includes a blend of small batch oils, rosehip seed, lavender, and neroli. Use fingers to apply to a dry face and neck in light circular motions. With warm, damp cloth, gently wipe to remove balm, then rinse again with cool water. No need to remove if you need overnight hydration. All right, so that I'm sure is probably awesome. I mean, at $42, and it does have a nice safety seal, which I do like. Let's see. It says this balm melts into skin, removing makeup, excess oil, and other impurities left over from your busy day. Mango and shea butters deeply hydrate, while vitamin C helps to brighten the appearance of skin. So yeah, this is probably going to be amazing. So, yay! And then now I know the last item is chocolate. And this is from Fine and Raw. It's a $5 value. A unique and amazingly delicious chocolate created sustainably in small batches by working alongside nonprofit partners to source cocoa beans or cacao beans directly from farmers. This raw, dark vegan chocolate is sweetened with only coconut sugar. Raw chocolate is the quintessential chocolate experience. As Fine and Raw says, it's an artisan craft, a superfood, the perfect wine, coffee, or tea pairing. Enjoy by yourself or with your loved one. Vegan, gluten-free, and organic. So, and it's super cute. So that is the February, March, but it's because, like I said, it's bi-monthly Love Goodly box. I think this was amazing. We got a brush, like a dual-sided brush. We got some serum. We got like a balm, you know, that's a makeup remover and hydrator, which is awesome. And a little bit of chocolate. You can't beat that. Like I said, it is $34.95 a month, always with free US shipping. I will leave that link down below and that code Love Southern Mom if you would like to get $5 off your first box. Again, I think this was fabulous. I really enjoyed this. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. And again, don't forget, hit that notification bell so you get notified when I go live. And make sure you do subscribe if you have not already. We would greatly appreciate it. I hope you all have a fabulous day, and I will talk with you guys with the next video. Bye.